Alright, y'all, we have 5 more packs. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yo, I'm lagging. So we have 3 of the same and 2 new ones. This is a new one. And this, as you saw the old videos. Yeah. I've been getting a lot of these. I'm gonna pop it up right here. And I was getting so mad, so hopefully I don't get nothing that much. So yeah, let's get it started. Oh, today, here I'm with my sister too.
Hi.
She's also gonna be opening packs. I think I got her addicted to opening packs, which is crazy.
Well, to be fair, I used to have Pokemons when I was younger. And then I gave them to you. That was a huge mistake.
Alright, we got a basic, a Katuni, Carvana,
Carvana.
Ekans, Turtwig, Rabsca, Iron Jugglers, whatever.
Oh, we have another one.
Full Metal Lab, Fresh Reverse, a Bronzong, and Bronzer. Last card is, oh man, oh my gosh.
It's like the previous one.
Alright, you're up next.
Okay, I want to open this one. What's there? Ooh. Thank you. Let's see what we have.
A Fighting Energy.
Raleigh Coley. Azumarill. Oh, that's the evolution. Yamper. Oh. Gribbon. Full Metal Lab. Another Full Metal Lab. Golurk. I have just been seeing this episode. Shaman. Duosin. Shiny. Breloom. And Melmetal.
Why are you doing this sideways? You have to do it straight.
Yeah. But I do it like that because it's shiny.
Bro, hey. Man. I am opening this one. Well, we only have those right now.
Okay.
So, let's see what we get.
Just seeing this one.
Alright, First Energy, Electric, Slugma, Solosis, a Skimper, I think, Skitty, I'm struggling with this name. Domice, Electric, whoa. Electivire, Cincino, no, isn't it?
Cinccino?
Yeah, something like that.
Cinccino.
Oh, it's a full life. It's a yes. Oh, not bad at all. Let's get a sleep. Let's leave it up. Alright, let me hear next.
We'll see what we get. Oh yeah, it actually was right. Ooh. Pinnacle. Mawil. Meditate. Turtonator. Heavy Ben. Mist Energy. Sandy Shocks. Rock Roof. Scream Tail. And the last one, another Relicanth. Like 3-4 times already?
Alright, y'all, last pack. The last pack of the day. Hopefully we get a good card. Alright, we got Fighting Energy, a Ponyta, Chatot, both Katoni, yo, I'm saying all these names wrong. Peerless Jungle, a Young
Pheasant.
Pheasant. Yo, why they give you the hard one? Ghastly, Melton, and the last card is
Nice.
another EX, folks. Alright, so let me clean this puppy up. We're ending it off with these two good cards, 2 EXs. Sadly, we didn't get a full art today. It's all good. Take care, guys. Hope you like, comment, share, subscribe, and peace.
Peace.